one new lesson from your textbook. The lesson's name is Rip Van Winkle. Rip Van Winkle, this is the name of one of the person in this lesson. It is one of the character in this lesson. Now we are going to learn this lesson. Now first of all I am going to say you the story from this lesson. Rip Van Winkle was a man who was very lazy. He was very lazy. Lazy means what? He used to not do any work. He don't want to go for the job. He don't want to earn money. Only he want to eat all the time and sleep. He always used to like to sleep. So his wife, his children, they all were very fed up of it. Means what? His wife, she used to always scold him. She used to shout on him that please go and work, earn some money, give in the house. But he never used to go for the job. He always used to sleep. He want to sleep, take rest, don't do any hard work. So the wife, she want him that he should leave the house and go. So always she be scolding him. One day, the Rip Van Winkle thought that instead of hearing this lady's shout that she's shouting, go and work, go for the job, he left the house and he went up on the mountain. Top of the mountains he went running. He started going with his dog. Even his dog was with him. He went at top of the mountain and he left his house and he went. After what happened, when he went up on the top of the mountain, he was sitting under one tree. He was sitting down on one tree and he thought in his life, first time he had done so hard work of climbing the mountains. So he was sitting down there and he heard that somebody is calling him, Rip Van Winkle. So he thought that on this mountain that nobody know me and who is calling me with my name. So he saw around, he saw a man who was funny looking man. Means he was not like a normal or ordinary man. He was looking funny. So he thought that why he is calling. Then he said him that man was having the barrel in his hand. What is the meaning of barrel? You all know that barrel means a container. It is made up of wood or even any metal which we can store our liquid things, means water or any drink. In the same way, that man was having the barrel in his hand, and what the man said that please help me to take this down to the stream. That barrel he could not carry alone, so he asked that Rip Van Winkle that please come and help, we will take this barrel to the stream. So first of all, the Rip Van Winkle, he was a lazy man, so he don't want that to help that man. But after some times he thought we should go and help this man, this poor man, to carry that barrel down. So he went there, then he helped him. They both of them went and carried that barrel to the stream, where there was one cave. There was a cave near the stream. They both went in. So when they entered the cave, they saw that this Rip Van Winkle, he saw many of the same funny looking people or funny looking men were sitting inside the cave. As soon as they went inside and kept that barrel down on the ground, what happened? All the men, those who were sitting in the cave, came with a mug in their hand and they dipped that mug in that drink. The barrel was containing one of the sweet drink inside. So they one by one they dipped that mug into that barrel and started drinking that drink. So what happened? Even the Rip Van Winkle, he got up with the mug and even he dipped his mug in that barrel and drank some sweet drink which was in that barrel. After drinking 3 times, he drank that mug 3 times. After drinking 3 times, he felt asleep. He started feeling sleepy. So what happened? Then he slept there itself. He slept and after some years, he was awake and he saw around. There were nobody around him, not the men who he was drinking with them, the drink, that funny looking men, then his dog, nobody was there. He was all alone sleeping there. tired, so he got up and he walked down the mountains, and he came in the one village, which was his own village, which he had gone before, many years before. He had left that village and gone to the mountains. Then when he came down, he saw that in that village all the new faces he could see. He could not recognize any of them. So he thought, how this all new faces I can see in my village. Then he came near one of the school which was in his village. He came and he saw many people, all were looking at him and they were trying to recognize who is this man. Then because it was even the people were thinking that he is a new face in our village. And all the small children, they started running behind him and making fun of him. So that Rip Van Winkle, he thought that which village I have come. He was trying to recognize all the faces, but he could not. So he came to near to the school, and when he saw that all the crowd has gathered around him, all the people were looking at him. So he asked that, where is the schoolmaster? Schooler means schoolmaster of this school. Then one of them said that before in the battle or in the he has gone to for the fight many years back. Then he thought that how this happened, why so many years back, means how many years I was sleeping. He was thinking how this happened, and so he looked at himself. That time he saw that he had a long beard. Beard means उसके यहाँ पे दाढ़ी उसकी बहुत बढ़ गई थी. So he had long beard, and he then thought that he was sleeping for the many years on the mountain. So again he came and he asked that, he took one of the name, that Van Dammel, where he is. So the people from the crowd, one of the voice came and said that man has already, he has died, means 18 years before he has died, now he is no more. So the Rip Van Winkle thought that so many years I had gone to the mountain and so many years I was sleeping, even I don't know. How can I sleep for so many years? Then there was one woman, she was standing with a child in the crowd. So that Rip Van Winkle took his own name and asked, anybody know Rip Van Winkle? He asked. So that lady from the crowd, she came, that woman, she came and she said, yes, I know, because he was my father. So Rip Van Winkle, he said, he was very happy that at least someone is recognizing me, at least someone know me by my name. So he said, yes, I am Rip Van Winkle. He said that I am Rip Van Winkle. So that girl, that lady was very happy. She said that you are my father, I am your daughter. Then that even Rip Van Winkle was very happy to at least he found his daughter in that crowd, and so she hugged her father, and she also was very happy that, and she said that, father, where were you so many years? 21 years back you had gone to the mountains and now you are coming, and I am very happy to meet you, and where were you so many years? Then the Rip Van Winkle thought that for 21 years he was sleeping on the mountain. After 21 years he has come back. So the daughter also was very happy. She met him, she hugged him, and they lived happy. Understood, students? From this story you can see that how lazy that Rip Van Winkle was, and he wasted his 21 years in sleeping. So it should not happen in this way. You all have to utilize your own time for the good work, and so you don't become like a Rip Van Winkle lazy. Because of his laziness, he has wasted his 21 years in the mountain, isn't it? So always you have to be in the work. Don't be lazy in doing even your studies, because once you waste your time, the time don't come back. Same as the Rip Van Winkle, because he could not, now he will never get back his 21 years which he had wasted in the mountains. Understood, students? And this was a lesson number 10 from your textbook.